Committee of the Emarat Sport exhibition held a press conference in Dubai. It was announced there the participation of the Brazilian International Star Ronaldinho in the Emarat exhibition in 50 years, which is organized by BBC Sport Services on the country's celebration of its Golden Jubilee. BBC Sport will be the part of Emarat Sport in 50 years exhibition that will be held from December to 4, 2021.
And he will make one stand. He will show all his medal, his trophies was get it in his history. All the sports game, our clubs and federation for the UAE, they will be participating in this event. The total is 103. Plus we have 7 guests: Asia Cycling Federation, Asia Rugby Federation, Asia Karate Federation, Arab Basketball Federation, Asia Basketball Federation, and tennis, Arab Tennis Federation. We hope all to visit our event. They will see the UAE sport history since 50 years regarding all the clubs and the federation. And also we will invite some cricket and golf stars from India and Pakistan and Bangladesh. Plus we have invite Casillas, the goalkeeper of the Spain and Real Madrid.